I'm Adley.
And I'm Matthew.
This is our litter survey.
Our litter project survey.
We hit up 2 locations, one on Shell Beach on Pelican Island, and the other in the corner of the Walmart parking lot.
And here is the map that includes both of these areas. Pause to look at it. There it is. Isn't that beautiful?
That's great. And
And
then
then here's the graph for the
For
entire
overall.
for the whole the included map. Look at this graph.
okay, so for everything combined, the majority is silicon or cigarettes when it comes to specific litter type. The cigarettes are specifically from the Walmart parking lot. That's the overwhelming majority. So it's a little bit skewed because of that. But other than that, yeah.
Indeed.
For Walmart specifically, there's a majority of carbon because of the cigarettes, and then after the cigarettes, there's a variety of beverage and food items that were laid out around.
Now tell me, Adley, why would there be so much litter in this Walmart parking lot?
There's a lot of wind coming off from the water up on the seawall and pushing it all into that corner of the parking lot.
Indeed, indeed. Now look at this wonderful graph.
Shell Beach, we've got the majority is silicon again. There wasn't anything specific that was there except for plastic water bottles because those float in the wind coming in from the tides and pushing all of the water into the bay, pushes everything into that one corner by T-Dock.
Indeed, T-Dock is indeed a good litter trapper. This is a beautiful graph and this is a beautiful map that we have made. Now Adley, what can we do to help fix this? Like what can we do to change the litter?
Alright, so we got a couple solutions. One is increased education in elementary and middle schools, talking about how to reduce, reuse, and recycle litter to keep it out in the first place and pick it up when we see it. You got any other ideas?
Well, another idea was that when researching possible solutions, I stumbled across an article that talked about how in Sweden they train crows to help pick up cigarette butts in return for treats, and so that could be another possible way is to use crows.
So, how we would do this is for the education, we would take a cut of students' days or weeks and have it talk about reusing, reducing, recycling, and keeping litter up, as well as organizing events to clean it up for the school, and possibly doing field trips to waste or recycling plants, because those are government owned and those would end up being cheaper than regular field trips.
Another thing that we could do, which also includes children, it could possibly, is we could take the children on school field trips to possible wildlife centers that are specifically for training the crows, and the children could see how the process happens, how the process is used for training birds, specifically the crows, and it could be a good learning process for the children, and it could help spark a possible interest in that and help future conservationists into that field.
All right.
Anything else to add, Adley?
Nope, we're all good.
We're all good. I'm Matthew.
I'm Adley.
And you're watching Disney Channel.